Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to be talking about the next rule for solving equations, which is this. When there are parentheses in an equation, we need to distribute first. So this is going to combine a few of the skills that we've learned this year. We're going to need to remember our distributing skills, and then we're going to need to remember our solving skills. For problem number 1, we're going to start the same way we start every solving problem, which is to draw a vertical line through the equal sign. The next thing is we're going to notice that there are parentheses. When you see that, you're going to use your distributing skills. That gives us 2x minus 6. Now on the right-hand side, we're just going to drop down the 18. Now we're going to use our solving skills. Remember, we always start by reversing the number that is farthest away from x. So we're going to add 6 on both sides of this equation. When we do that, 18 plus 6 is 24. And on the other side, we drop down the 2x. Then we're going to reverse the 2. Now remember, this is a multiplication problem, so to reverse that, we're going to divide by 2. That means that we get 24 divided by 2, which is 12, and x on the left side. And we're done. Let's just try a few more examples to make sure we fully understand the pattern for solving, and then you guys will try some practice. For problem number 2, we would draw a vertical line through our equal sign. Then we would notice that there are parentheses, and so we need to distribute. When we multiply, we get negative 4x plus 8 equals, and we're going to drop down the 20. Next, we need to get the x by itself. We're going to start by reversing the number that is farthest away from x. So we're going to subtract 8 on both sides. When we do that, the 8's cancel, and 20 minus 8 is 12. On the other side, we're just going to drop down the negative 4x. Now, when we see this, we're going to remember that this is a multiplication problem. So we're going to divide by negative 4 in order to get x by itself. That means that we get the negative 4's cancel, and so we have x, and 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. In problem number 3, we're going to draw a vertical line through our equal sign. Then we're going to notice that there are parentheses, and so we need to distribute, which gives us 5x plus 30. On the other side, we have 50. Now our goal is to get x by itself, so I'm going to look at the numbers on the right side because x is on the right side. First, I'm going to subtract 30 because 30 is farthest away from x, which means that the 30's cancel, and we're just going to drop down the 5x. On the left side, the 50 minus 30 is 20. Now we're going to divide by 5. When we divide by 5, the 5 and the 5 cancel, and we get x equals 20 divided by 5, which is 4. Let's try 2 more examples. We're going to try number 4, and we're going to try number 6, and we will actually skip number 5 for now. Let's try number 4. We're going to draw a vertical line through our equal sign, and then we're going to notice that there are parentheses, which means we need to distribute. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x, and negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. We're just going to copy down the 30. Now we need to get the x by itself. so we need to start by reversing the number that is farthest from x. That means that we're going to do plus 42 on both sides. 30 plus 42 is 72. And we're going to drop down the negative 6x. Then we're going to divide by negative 6. And that's going to give us x equals 72 divided by negative 6, which is negative 12. One more problem. Number 6. Again, I'm going to draw my vertical line. This one might look a little tricky. I see that I have parentheses, but it's unclear what the number is. Remember, if there's ever a problem where there's a negative with no number, it's automatically a 1. Negative 1x, and a negative times a negative is a positive, equals negative 36. Now I'm going to get the x by itself. So I'm going to start by reversing the number that is farthest away. That means I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. I'm going to drop down the negative 1x, and negative 36 minus 5 is negative 41. Then I'm going to divide by negative 1 to get the x by itself. That means I get x equals negative 41 divided by negative 1 is positive 41. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please try your practice.